Thank you for clicking this video, but don't forget guys, click on the subscribe button because subscribe is free. With your subscribe support this channel continue to upload almost every day. Remember that subscribe is free, it's free if you click the subscribe guys. Happy watching, enjoy!
Like this. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hey, I want to introduce myself. My name is Herjuna Wahyu. I'm from Bantul City, Yogyakarta. Studied at Aisyah University of Yogyakarta. Here I will explain about how to learn beatbox. First, you have to say B, but the letter A, when saying B, does not need to be included like this. Say B, B, B. P, P.
Terserah, aku jadi bingung.
P.
Mau gimana? Kalau depan kamu.
After that, the letter T and the letter A also do not need to included like this. T, T. T, T does not included A. T. The last basic is the letter K and letter A always omitted like this. K, 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 K does not included A like this. Practice your beatbox skill by writing lyrics on the paper like this. That's beatbox tutorial from me. That is all and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.